Alright, this is Baller9to5 with a new episode of Subsistence. Last episode is a couple of months ago. I'm trying to do something new this time because I'm playing Subsistence for like 1.5 years now and I need something more challenging, so I figured I'd do something different this time. I'm playing it the keep it simple way, so I will not use a fridge, I will not use a workbench, and I will not use the generator, so I really keep it simple this time. And let's see how the day-to-day survival will turn out. So let's start with a new game. Normal. Hunt is enabled. I will have no attacks at the moment. Go back to April. That's a good month to start. 365 days, of course. That's about it. Anything forgotten? No. Good. So let's see where I'm starting. First I thought I'd play this series without the BCU, but I figured that there are some things you cannot produce without it, although it doesn't really make sense because a plant bed actually is just wood and soil. So I thought I'd give myself 3 or 4 things I can work with and then see how it goes without electricity in general. So no fridge. I have to get my food day to day. But first let's see where I'm at. East, south. So my first plan is to see where I'm at and get some stuff, get a little base, and then see and work from there. Of course I have no clue at the beginning where I'm at. Let's see. That's water. It will take some time. Oh, this is in the south. I have to head up north. So yeah, that direction. I think I know it now. I shouldn't rush too much, otherwise I'm getting into trouble. Let's check one more time. Oh, doesn't help at all. Smart. I think it should be north. Yes, I'm heading north and see where it leads me to. There is some water there, so maybe I can find out where I'm at, seeing the water. Aha. Could that be the normal big lake? I think so. Let's grab these two boxes and then I'm heading south. No, still north. I'm confused. So there's a waterfall. There is a waterfall. I still don't know where I'm at. But I want to have the start of this series at my sweet spot where I'm really comfortable playing with. So let's see. North, north, north. Minutes pass by, nothing happens, not a single thing. So, do I get the position now? This is, okay. This is here. I'm still thinking. Yeah, grabbing this box down there. And then I think I'm swimming. Let's see, oh there's a wolf again. Okay, forget about the box. Who needs a box anyways? I think I'm gonna swim from here. Actually, I really expected a better start. But it is what it is. So I'm heading to the middle of the lake and then we'll see if I was right. So the game dropped me off really down south. Sounds like somebody jumped into the water as well. I think this looks good. Yeah, there's the rock in the lake. Perfect. Okay, so now I can get it started. So as I said, I tried to, first I thought let's give myself a really good challenge and really play without the BCU and play on hardcore. But then I read again that on hardcore, if you're dead, you then need the bed, and the bed is just helping you once or something like that. So I thought maybe I just play without the BCU, and then I figured that you can't have a plant bed without the BCU. which doesn't make sense at all because, I don't know, you don't need electricity to make a plant bed. And I also need the wood burner and the bed. And I also need the refinery. So my second thought was I maybe use the BCU for some things and then I switch it off again. But then I have no lockpick because you always need them over and over again. So I was confused what's the best challenge for me. So I thought, okay, I use the BCU, but I'm not gonna produce a fridge, I'm not gonna produce a generator, and I'm not gonna produce a workbench. So I'm just trying to do my best to survive on a day-to-day basis. And that's what I'm doing right now. And actually it really got me hyped a bit to see how it works. Can't wait to get this started. So I'm feeling comfortable now. First I want to get enough wood to have my base. So a platform, a wall of course, and a roof and a fire, so that the roof you need to have the fire be going even if it rains. What is that? A bear? A wolf? A rabbit. Of course I'm gonna hunt chicken at the beginning, and only chicken. So I'm trying to get the bow early, because you have, I think I have one feather at the beginning, yeah. And so if I miss the rabbit, I have no feathers left, so this is the first thing to do. Getting chicken all the time, so that you have enough feathers. Good, there's a fiber. There's one more. Good. Could produce some planks already. And maybe a second water bottle. No, I can't. But I got the fiber for that. I think I should have the base as soon as possible, just to be safe from the wolf, in case he just tries to come closer. So I got 5. I have 24 nails, that's good. So this would be the place for my base, but a little aside I start my little base. So good. Alright, so I made a little cut here. I skipped one day, I got the fire going, I got my fishing rod and a bow. I'm not starving anymore, I just need some vegetables real quick. Good, so the first thing I have to do is still getting fiber, because I wanna get a wall and stairs and a roof to get the BCU going. And alright, that's what I'm gonna do next. So let's see. So fiber is all I need. By the way, on the second day I shot a wolf. Took me 5 shots and I ran back to my platform 4 times, just that I get some meat going. So let's see, gotta do some more minutes on this day and then I'll probably skip 1 or 2 more days. Otherwise it's a bit boring. Just the first couple of days, not too much is happening. So I need grubs as well because it's all about fishing. And there was one more thing I wanted to do. Storage, of course, so 3 cottages. Then a wall. Only 2 is 5. The BCU, nothing. Good. 5. And what else? Fishing rod 6. Yeah. Fiber all over the place. There's 1 and some fruit. Good. Good. So I could use a chicken or fiber or boxes anywhere, please. There's 1. There's another one. There's a bear. Okay, that's fine. Cottage. Nope. That's fine. use another rod, fishing tackle, as it says. So nope. Area clear. It's gotta be a chicken somewhere. It's a bit strange here. Cottage, this, 2 more. Got 2, now make it 3. But still I need the wall and the roof. I need it 2. So I need 4. 4 more fibers to get 2 more cordage, so I better head up here. Hope there's no surprise on the hill. Nope. Oh, pretty exciting at the beginning again. But I shouldn't forget about the fire. It's not burning that long. So there's 1 more. I need 1 more fiber, come on. 1 more. There's 1. Nothing in sight. That is a rabbit. I don't need rabbits. As I told you, all I'm hunting is chicken. This should be in reach. Yeah. Take this one as well. And some vegetable. Nothing. Good. Then not. So far so good. Two. Another box. Actually, I forgot the stairs, so I need one more fiber still. It seems like every second word I say is fiber. Is that fiber correct? Pretty fiber-esque. Is there a wolf? Yeah. Good. Enough about that. Good. So, base building continues. Let's see what I got. First, I want to have the stairs here. Like that. Gonna have to dismantle, what was that? Move. Let's put it here. It's still burning. That's nice. Didn't know that. You can move it. It's still burning. Works for me. So then put that up here. Move again. Good. Then I need the wall. Got that, and a roof. Oh yeah, no planks. Come on. 1, 2, 3. This is nice progress. There's another fiber, just in case it's gone. Take this one first. Oh, this is not a fiber. Vitamins. Drink some. Then produce the roof. Still. Put it on which side? Actually, this side. Good. And the roof. Good. So, rain protection. There's another one there. Let's get some wood to get through the night. and it starts to rain. That's perfect timing. So the fire should be still burning. Perfect. So I have 5, so I could produce some stairs on the other side. If there's no wolf around, I could do some fishing without any problem. Yeah, this would be the last thing to do. Then I'm done for today. Is it a big one? No. Yeah, let's do another one. No bear around? No. More fish for the night. All right. Planks. I need to get the wood burner quick because then I have more time to walk around and the fire lasts longer. Good. So that's about it. So this was the 3rd day and I'm already having a roof and the fire going. The BCU is in preparation. I could do that right now. Yep, there you go. So next thing would be the wood burner and get some fiber again to get the platform, the base going a bit bigger and wider. And then I'll just need my 2 or 3 things from the base BCU and then I'm all set. What is he doing? whatever. Good, so that's it. This was all on 9 to 5. See you next time, and I'm out.